Welcome to our video today. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive explanation of the Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion helicopter. This helicopter is one of the heavy-lift helicopters used by the United States Navy. We will delve into every aspect of it with incredible detail in this video, so get ready for in-depth and fascinating information. Segment 1. History. Let's start by delving into the history of the CH-53E Super Stallion in more detail. This helicopter is a development of its predecessor, the CH-53 Sea Stallion, which was also used by the United States Navy. However, the journey of developing the CH-53E Super Stallion was not easy and involved various challenges that had to be overcome. The development process of the CH-53E began in the 1960s in response to the increasing need for heavy-lift helicopters that could be used in various military missions. The U.S. Navy recognized the importance of having helicopters with greater lift capabilities and better endurance to face increasingly complex battlefield situations. Engineers and designers from Sikorsky Aircraft Corporation worked hard to develop a new helicopter that met strict requirements. They faced challenges in designing and building a helicopter that could carry larger loads while still maintaining the agility and stability required for military operations. After several years of intensive research and development, the CH-53E Super Stallion was finally introduced in 1974. This helicopter quickly gained a reputation as an excellent and reliable heavy-lift helicopter. The U.S. Navy quickly adopted it as an essential part of their fleet to support military operations in various theaters worldwide. Over time, the CH-53E has undergone changes and improvements. In the 1980s, a modernization program was launched to enhance the helicopter's performance and capabilities. Improvements in avionics systems, payload capacity, reliability, and durability became the primary focus of efforts to upgrade the CH-53E Super Stallion. To this day, the CH-53E Super Stallion remains one of the most reliable heavy-lift helicopters in the world. Its presence in various military operations has proven its ability to overcome complex challenges and provide critical logistics and tactical support. With a long history of development and various changes made over the years, the CH-53E Super Stallion continues to be the preferred choice for heavy lift and tactical missions. This helicopter has built a solid reputation as a powerful, reliable, and unwavering machine in the face of demanding battlefield conditions. Segment 2. Specifications and Design. Next, let's delve deeply into the specifications and design of the CH-53E Super Stallion. This helicopter offers an impressive combination of large size, great performance, and exceptional lifting capability. With a length of approximately 30 meters and a wingspan of about 23 meters, the CH-53E is one of the largest transport helicopters in the world. Its maximum takeoff weight reaches 33 tons, enabling it to carry a tremendous payload. The helicopter is equipped with 4 General Electric T-64 turboshaft engines, each capable of producing powerful thrust. These 4 engines provide the helicopter with enough power to transport heavy cargo, military equipment, and personnel in the most complex military missions. The design of the CH-53E Super Stallion is based on principles of durability and resilience. It has a robust structure that can withstand the pressures and challenges of the battlefield. Its stable 3-point landing system allows the helicopter to operate in difficult terrains and uneven landing zones. Advanced navigation systems, modern avionics, and reliable control systems are also integral parts of the CH-53E Super Stallion's design. Segment 3. Tactical Capabilities. Next, let's discuss in more detail the tactical capabilities of the CH-53E Super Stallion. This helicopter is specifically designed to transport and deploy troops, military equipment, or even heavy cargo to remote and challenging areas. Its lifting capacity allows the helicopter to carry up to 55 troops or 16 tons of cargo. Moreover, the CH-53E Super Stallion is equipped with an aerial refueling system, enabling it to perform long-range missions without the need to land for refueling. This provides strategic advantages and significantly extends its range and flight time. In terms of defense, the helicopter is equipped with advanced self-defense weapons. Machine guns mounted on the side doors and tail section of the helicopter provide effective firepower to protect it from enemy threats. Additionally, the CH-53E Super Stallion is equipped with air defense missiles that can be used to counter airborne attacks. Segment 4. Field usage. The CH-53E Super Stallion has been the backbone of crucial military operations worldwide. It has proven to be an invaluable asset in rescue operations, personnel transportation, and logistics in challenging battlefield environments. In humanitarian assistance missions, the CH-53E Super Stallion has been used to deliver aid and supplies to those in need during emergency situations. The helicopter has also been involved in medical evacuation missions, transporting medical teams and equipment to hard-to-reach areas to save lives. Moreover, the CH-53E has been involved in complex military missions such as amphibious assaults, special forces insertions, and special operations support. It can operate in various terrains, including mountains, deserts, and water, making it an ideal choice for tactical missions that require heavy lift capabilities. Segment 5. Future developments. Lastly, let's look at what lies ahead for the CH-53E Super Stallion in the future. Although this helicopter is still in operation with the U.S. Navy, there are plans to replace it with newer and more advanced models in the coming years. Development efforts are ongoing with the aim of creating more efficient, powerful, and versatile heavy-lift helicopters. Engineers and designers continue to work hard to leverage the latest technologies and innovations in the design of future helicopters that can meet the tactical and operational needs of the U.S. Navy. Conclusion. That concludes our in-depth explanation of the Sikorsky CH-53E Super Stallion helicopter. We have provided information about its history, specifications and design, tactical capabilities, field usage, and potential future developments. The CH-53E Super Stallion helicopter continues to prove its reliability and make significant contributions to complex military operations. Thank you for watching this video, and we hope you have gained a comprehensive understanding of this helicopter. See you in the next video.